All right, great.
I mean, on your right. I'm sorry. Right. So,
Tayo din ako. Pag may salita na.
Cosa linda, ay amor, amor.
Good morning! Pasensya na guys, every morning. Ito na, good morning everything. Nagluto lang ako ng egg, fried rice. Pero ito, nagsuka. Dahil kinain lahat ng pagkain. Thank goodness, meron pa tayong fried rice. Meron pa tayong rice. Magpa-fried rice tayo. Meron pa tayong mga escalyon sa garden. So, luto tayo ng egg. Buti na lang may isang dosina pa ng egg. Kasi, or else, wala na tayong egg. Meron tayong isang dosinang itlog. Itlog mo, Noy, orange. If naalala nyo yan sa bus, may magtitinda ng egg. Itlog mo, Noy, orange. Ang itlog daw ni Manoy, orange. Parang mukha lang ni Donald Trump ba? Orange. Hugas. Hello guys, nakalimutan namin itapon yung basura kagabi. Ilagay sa doon sa may kalsada. Ngayon pala yung pick up. Ngayon pala yung pick up. Meron pa ako dito din nakatampak. Nakatambak yung basura. Buhay naman sila guys. Ito lang. Ang saya niya guys. Diba? Masaya siya. Hello? Are you okay? Doon yung isa. I think okay na tong mga. Ito yung dahon, oh. Nung doon kasi ito sa labas, kinain ng insekto yung dahon niya, yung pinakatuktok talaga, kinain. So, yun. And ngayon, nag-start na naman siyang tumubo. And ito, hindi pa rin masaya. So, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. I think I have to hindi siya masaya sa soil na dyan. Tignan natin yung Christmas tree ko dito. Baka nabasa. Kasi paminsan talaga papasok yung tubig dito. Tignan nyo. So, ito yung Christmas tree natin. Christmas tree. Ang iyang panty. Kailangan ko lang i-open itong garahian. Anyway guys, itapon ko lang ito sila para ma-pick up. Tignan nyo. This mister. Hello guys! Katatapos lang natin naligo. Yung asawa ko, tignan nyo kung anong ginagawa. Naligo pala ako ng maaga dahil sumakit yung puson ko. Sabi ko, maligo nga tayo. Kasi sumakit yung puson ko. Sabi ko baka magkaroon talaga ako kasi katapusan na ng buwan. Eyeliner ko dito. Nakalimutan ko kung ilan ba yung eyeliner ko. Ito yung pinaka maganda daw. At saka meron pa dito. Ito yung pinakagamit na gamit ko talaga na eyeliner. Ano na siya guys? Matanda na. Matindi na siya. Double ko lang. Matagal na akong hindi talaga nag-eyeliner. Sabi ko, mahilig ako noon talaga mag-eyeliner. Yun yung pinakaano ko sa buhay ko noon. As in, ang itim nito. I think this is jet black. Alam nyo, maisipan ko pa minsan, magbalik na ako mag-makeup. Meron akong mga ano dito. Waterproof. Sabi pa nila, kaya ginamit ko to noon kasi sabi pa, waterproof daw. Pero tignan natin. Ito yung suotin natin. What is the temperature outside, Han? Temperature outside. Huh? Warm? Okay, let's go upstairs, guys. Para kuha tayo ng sweater. Pa-haircut daw si Mister. Yun yung gusto niyang gawin ngayong araw. So, sabayan natin. Malapit lang dito sa bahay yung pa-haircutan. Maganda kapag komportable ka sa suot mo. Kaysa, ang ganda naman ng suot mo and then hindi ka komportable. Sir Tommy, kailangan mo na yan, Tommy. Tommy, kailangan mo na i-memorize yan. Hindi na ako magdala ng shoulder bag na to. Sabi ko, uy, kailangan ko talaga siyang dalhin kasi alam mo, andito pala yung mga kailangan kong driver's license, ganun. May nagtitext na naman kay Mister. Sino kaya yung nag-text? Itong si Tommy, no? Yung light dito sa garahian. Ako na yung mag-drive kasi para wala nang anik-anik. Oh, goodness. Dito lang yung bag ko. Anyway, guys. So, kailangan ko nang mag-ano. Mahulog talaga kayo, guys. Mahulog ngayon kayo ba? Diyan muna kayo. Huwag kayo mahulog.
Bad news for you. All your plants over here are dying.
I have bad news for you. That's going to the garbage.
Why are they dying?
Because I don't water them.
Oh, there you go.
Because I said, why should I water
No
them?
masks?
Where's your mask?
I don't know. I'm looking here.
Tay, anyway guys, andito na ako. Naghintay ko lang ako kay Tami. May natanggap kaming sulat pala din. May natanggap kaming sulat. Sa ano pala din, sa itong paper na to pala, is yung sa aso at sa post. Sa aso, kay Misty at sa kay Roxy. Na ano siya, tawag nito, kailangan na siyang i-renew yung license kasi may license sila every state kasi may lisensya sila and then kailangan i-renew din yung vaccine. Alam nyo guys, kailangan pala din dito doon sa yung sa city, hindi namin ginanon yung aso ni Bianan. Hindi namin inano yung parang irehistro. Dito sa town namin, dito sa county namin, ngayon kung saan kami, kailangan pala din i-ano yung aso kasi palaging nasa labas, 'di ba? So kailangan i-renew, kailangan may license ba to? Renewal, yeah. Renewal sa license. May tag kasi sila guys na every year kailangan silang i-renew and then may expiration din dito kung kailan kami magpa-vaccine for Misty and Roxy.
I have a notice of a delinquent notice for my my dog's licenses. Now I had never gotten the renewal notice in the mail. But I'm out here, and it seems like I can't get into the building. The upstairs door, and it said use the main entrance, upper level.
The other. Okay, so go. So if you're in your vehicle, go back out to 9, make a right, and go to the light by Stewart's. Make a right, and we're right up the road on the right-hand side. And once you walk in, we're the first office on your left.
All right, great.
I mean, on your right. I'm sorry. Right.
All right, so I go out to 9, make a right, go to the light, make a right, and
yes. And then we're just a little bit up the road on the right, and we're the first office on your right.
great. Thank you so much.
All right. See you soon.
Make a right and then hand.
Make a right, and then you go to Stewart's and make a right.
So after that, there's a gasoline station here.
This is Stewart's right here?
We get a right.
Yes, so make a right. So they're a little bit on the right, so I guess they're right here. So I don't know how this linkage here. Oh, so it's the same building, we're just at a different place. Oh, that's very bizarre to me.
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no parking. Oh, reserve, no parking, reserve.
Try this again.
Ang ganda dito guys. Mag-picture nga tayo, be. So anyway guys, so ngayon, doon kasi kami sa kabila. And then hindi makapasok si Tami. So ngayon, dito siya sa pinamove sa ibang lugar si Tami. So ngayon, hopefully, nakapasok siya. Nakapasok. Alam niyo si Tami, kailangan na talaga niya ng bagong cellphone guys. Na ginagamit niya and then mamamatay every 10 seconds, every 10 minutes. So, and then tinitignan ko siya ngayon ito. Yung cellphone is hindi na straight, naging ganito na siya, parang kaunti ng ganito oh. So, parang yun yung problema ng phone niya. Ang tanda nito guys, I think this is 5 plus 5. I think it's generation 5. Your phone is over there. You know what happened? I look at your phone.
Yes.
Give me your phone. How much you paid?
It's $12.
So, this phone is, that's why it's acting up. It's straight, supposedly, it's kind of like this. Look, oh. You won't notice it, but it's kind of like, this one over here, it's kind of like.
Yeah, well, why would that make it keep shutting off?
That means the inside thing, it's already kind of like wacky inside.
The phone?
Mm-hmm.
Take it off of this. Oh, yeah, look at it.
Yeah, it's opened up. Mm-hmm.
What the hell?
So, you really.
How'd that happen?
Yeah, you really need a new one.
Oh.
It's already like this, oh, it's already. I look at it, it's not the same anymore. You really have to get a new phone.
I guess.
To open up. Don't keep doing it because you might lost everything.
Okay. Wow, that's very bizarre.
Yeah, cover it back. The water, it will be so bad. And you have this phone for a long time.
I know. I'll keep a phone forever, and if it's up to me, like, what the hell do I want new phones for?
Your wife's irritates you and everything's irritating.
No, you're the techno person. You like new stuff. Me, as long as I got something that works, I'm okay. I don't upgrade. I don't upgrade operating systems. I don't upgrade phones.
Ang ganda dito. Ha? It's okay, there's no one in here. So look, ang ganda guys. Nag-stop kami dito. And look, ang ganda dito. I think somebody go fishing here sometimes, right?
Yeah, what?
Is
Yeah.
the fishing here? Can we walk here?
Yeah, it's a very small lake.
Huh?
Very small lake. You probably ought to see the fish. The water looks like mud.
Look at that. Ang ganda dito. Palagi ko tong na anuhan guys, palagi ko tong na tawag dito na nadadaanan pero hindi ako nag-ano. Diba ang ganda? Ang ganda ng mga kahoy. Ang daming dahon din, oh. Dahon. Ganda. It's just not really a lot of, ano. I don't see any fish. I don't see fish.
I thought I've seen people fishing here, but I may be wrong.
Yeah, I do. I see some people fishing
Well,
here.
they're fishing here. It's because they stock it. This is not a natural lake.
Yeah. Look at this. So nice.
It doesn't seem to be connected to any body of water, which is why I can't really remember.
Yeah. Yun na si Mister. Yun na siya. Okay, pasok. Pasok tayo. Pasok. Pasok. He's laughing like he is. Why you laughing? I'm gonna. Nako, talagang buhay na to. Ako, iniwan pa akong nag-iisa dito. Dora! You're a hard-head. Ginawa ko. Ay, hard-head, Dora. Guys, so nag-defrost ako ng shrimp. So, lutuin natin yan with garlic. Butter with garlic. And, yun na lang yung dinner ko. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung kainin namin. Magluto pa ako ng rice pala. Kasi, konti na lang yung... Meron naman palang salmon. Lutuin ko lang yung... Ay, hindi ko nalutuin yung chicken. Alam nyo bakit? Magluto na lang ako ng shrimp. And then, ang gagawin ko is, lagyan natin ng maraming garlic. May inano dito. And then, hindi. Iwan ko na lang, guys. Ang daming plano. Hindi nagagawa. I think ganyan talaga, no? Kapag may edad na. Gusto na lang mahiga. And may mga plano gustong gawin. Pero, yung katawan is hindi man mag-give up. Pero parang mas gustuhin pang maghiga. And naintindihan ko yun. Masarap yung mani. Pero, kapag kakain ako ng maraming mani, nagkabukas-bukas. Pimple ba? Inom tayo, guys. Matagal na akong hindi nakainom. Nalasing ako konti. Nalasing ako konti. So, yan. Tayo din ako. Pag may salita na nagkalabas yung dila. Nalasing na ako konti. Pero gusto ko pa, guys. Gusto ko pang mag-add konti. Pero, mag-open tayo ng isa. Another one. Nahilo na ako, pero you know what? I'm going to drink more. Magluto pa ako ng shrimp. Nalipong na talaga ako, guys. Nahihilo na ako, guys. Pero okay lang to. Pati yung camera, hiwi. Nakatingin yung dalawa. Hindi naman ako maglasing palagi, mga kiddos. Si Tami na yung magpakain sa mga alaga kasi naglasing. Hello, guys. Masama pakiramdam ko, pagkatapos kong nag-inom-inom. Sumakit yung puson ko. I think kasi meron din ako. Luto tayo ng shrimp, butter, and garlic. Ang bango ng garlic, guys. Buhay ko. Yun. Kain kami, guys. Magre-ready. Wala, honey. I splash everywhere. Oh, honey, you are my kind of girl. You want to eat?
You want shrimp?
Lasing ako, lasing. Pakita ko pala sa inyo yung shrimp. Ito yung shrimp, guys. Look at the shrimp. Okay, it's time to put this Christmas decoration. What is that? What's that?
A ticket for a cruise ship that I won.
A ticket?
Never. The romance.
Romance what?
September 1990.
1990 and romance?
It's the cruise ship I never went on.
Okay, so why you keep it?
Because it was a cool way to give a ticket. Look at the little glass bottle. Like a ship in a bottle.
Oh, don't whatever me all the time. I hate it.
You would want to do. You and Andrew want to do it to me all the time. Now I adopted it.
Adopted my ass.
Whatever.
Honey! I hate it, okay?
You started it.
I don't like
You're
it.
stuck with it. Well, then you shouldn't have started it.
So we're gonna end the vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We eat our dinner. We're just like, this one right here is always not feeling good. I don't know. And he's gonna leave me tomorrow. And we're gonna end the vlog.
Just shoot me now. We'll be done.
Han, can you just don't see that?
Oh, I'm sorry. Don't shoot me now. We'll be done. He thinks you're giving him treats.
Okay, now good night.
He hears us all saying goodnight. He figures it's time for his
Good night,
treat.
guys.
Night, guys.
See you tomorrow. And
Alright.
see you tomorrow, guys. We're gonna end the vlog early kasi wala na kaming magawa, guys. Andito lang sa bahay. So yun, and nag-ano lang si Tami, naghakot ng mga gamit sa sasakyan dahil aalis siya bukas. What time are you leaving tomorrow?
Early.
Early?
Yeah.
So very early daw siya alis. So, do you still have things in your car? No? Okay. Okay, so tapos na daw. Kinuha na niya. Kasi naghakot siya dito the last time. Diba? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Good night.